Everything about an intelligence factory is an engineering challenge, and it's one that's accelerating. Take power. A standard server rack in a data center draws about 8 kilowatts of power. A GPU rack in an intelligence factory draws 200. That's 25 times the power density. By next year, the racks will draw 600. The generation after that is heading towards a megawatt draw, 1,000,000 watts of power in a single rack. That's the demand of a small town in a cabinet the size of a refrigerator. And that fact breaks almost every assumption the data center industry was built on. The power delivery, the cooling, the building design, all of that changes. At these densities, standard copper wiring would melt. Air conditioning is physically useless. You need liquid coolant pumped directly onto the chips. And if those cooling pumps stop for 30 seconds, that billions of dollars of hardware suffers permanent damage from its own heat. So this isn't a static engineering problem. It's accelerating, and it's accelerating quickly.